Well, I guess I got a big singing gig today. Gotta get warmed up. Oh, MacDonald at the farm. I better start singing pretty good. Oh, MacDonald. Gee, got quite an audience today. Yo, pipes ain't warmed up yet. Too early. Very embarrassing. And on his farm he had 3 goats, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had 3 piggies. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa. And on his farm he had 3 piggies. E-I-E-I-O. Yeah.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm.
With the oink oink here and an oink oink there.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some goats, E-I-E-I-O, and Baba here and Baba there, and Baba here and Baba, oh, MacDonald.
You're gorgeous, you know it. Just gorgeous.
Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Oh, wrong song.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a goat, E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm he had 3 pigs.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little pigs.
E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some lambs, E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm he had some goats, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had.
Yeah, y'all sound pretty good to me. No, I don't mean to change the subject, but that llama sure needs a good dentist. I think I found one I can recommend. Yeah, I think that's a really good idea that you would recommend a good dentist for that llama. He's got some serious dental issues. Well, I guess there's no need for me, Mr. MacDonald, to tell you what this little cowpoke's cleaning up off his tail.
1 minute of laughter boosts the immune system for over 24 hours.